All right, everyone, this is Ben here with Pierre Driving School. I'm at the Seaview road test site. As you guys can see, it's 103 and Seaview Avenue, and this is one of the stops that the students are struggling a lot. As they come into the stop sign, you're asking them to make a left turn, but for some reason they're going onto the oncoming traffic. So I said, well, I'm here today at this site, let me just shoot a video with it so I can explain that better, so I can show you better than I can tell you, right? So we have to also pay attention as we come into the stop here. There is three things to pay consideration, to get in consideration. Number one, you have to notice it's a full stop. What do I mean by that? As you come to that stop here, as we're looking at the stop sign, you have to make sure that you make your two complete stops. After making the two complete stops, you're gonna roll up to make sure you can see the traffic coming up on your left. All right, that's your first observation. Then after you observe, you need to also make sure that you come in with your car on the straight line up. Why are you coming on the straight line up? Because if you're angling the car coming off this stop, angling the car, then most of the time, more likely you will go onto the oncoming traffic. It requires some skills for you not to go onto the oncoming traffic. All right, so the reason why, because it's a possibility as I'm walking over, it's a possibility cars coming up this side may want it to make a left turn. Now if they wanted to make a left turn, as you're coming over, you have to make sure that you come on straight right at this divider, you know, the island. You have to bring your car right straight up, line up with the island, so you can make sure you clear your right side. There is no car coming, and as you continue to get the clearance, you make the turn, you want it to fall to your left lane, the left lane all the way over in the left corner. Then when you finish by yourself, you signal your attention, you come to your right lane, and you follow through from there. All right, so it is not that difficult, folks. Remember that as you're doing this turn, you do not want to see, is a car coming up right now. Let me show you right now. You see this guy is coming up now. This is the stop sign I was talking about. Come to a complete stop. Okay, now it's coming up straight over, gonna make a left turn. See how this guy gonna demonstrate that left turn. See, coming up and make a left turn. That is, pay attention here. Watch this here. See, make the left turn, fall into the left lane, then go over to the right. Yes, that's a good demonstration so on how quickly this turn here, right? So here's again, just for the sake of this video, is your second car coming up, making a turn over here. You see, completely stopped. That's not a school or whatnot, but yes, this is the stuff that I'll be talking about. All right, folks, so this is how to make the left turn on Seaview from East 103. All right, so I just want to demonstrate that to you guys today, so you can be watching it. So as you come here, that will not be an issue making this left turn. All right, many people are struggling with this turn. It shouldn't be that hard. And yes, this is what we have for you for today. Very easy, straightforward. Now we are doing road test site here at Seaview. We're waiting for the time to start. Our road test is at 11. We wait until it gets to 11 so we can go ahead and start the road test. All right, so here is the Seaview road test site location, and this is the starting point from your road test. All right, so if you have any question and concern, please drop it in the comment below. We'll answer all these questions, and any concern, you get your clarity on how it's get done here. And if you do want to get signed up with this school, so you can look on the comment section and we'll see our website, or you can reach us at 718-576-6277, or you can go on pierredriving.com to see if you need our help. Until then, keep practicing. All right.